This is Yannis from Press-Ons by Yannis, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can apply your press-on nails with glue as well as the sticky tabs. This is the application kit that comes with your press-ons, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. So in the kit you have these sticky tabs, you have some nail glue, you have 2 wipes, 2 alcohol wipes, and a 180 buffer, and a cuticle stick, a wooden cuticle stick that looks like this. So step 1 would be pushing back your cuticles using the cuticle stick. Now my cuticles are already pretty pushed back. I can't really push them back anymore because I did them yesterday. But the idea is that you would just push your cuticle back. If you are comfortable, you can trim the cuticle, but I suggest just pushing it back. That's just more than enough. After that, I'm going to take the buffer. That is a 100-180 grit. The coarser side is the 100. The other one is the slightly softer side is the 180. So you would use this to slightly make some scratches onto your nail, like so. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to do the thumb. And then you're going to take one of the alcohol pads and you just tear it open. And then you're gonna wipe the nail, so there's no more dust on the nail. And then you're gonna take the sticky tabs, and then you're going to measure which one would be my size. I think for me, for my thumb, it's obviously the biggest one. There is a small protective foil over, so I'm just going to see if I can get it off. There we go. And then I'm just going to use some tweezers and pull the tab off. And then I'm going to stick it onto my nail. If I can get that nicely in frame. And then once it's on, you're going to try and peel off the top. And these stickers can be a little bit finicky, as you can see. That's why I prefer the glue, actually. And then I'm going to hold it like this. Make sure it is centered though. Hold it like this, and then I'm just gonna press it down like that, and here we go. I have a nail. Now my only thing that I have with these stickers is that there can be a small gap between the press-on and the natural nail, and my hair would get stuck in that sometimes. So using the glue, I would once again push back the cuticle and then prep the nail with the buffer block. I'm going to use the slightly coarser grits just so I can create a little more scratches onto the nail. And then you just wipe again, and you just pull the cap off. Now there isn't a hole in here, so you're going to need some pliers. And then you're going to slightly nip off a little amount. There we go. And then you can squeeze some glue onto your nail. Like a small amount like this is more than enough, at least for me. And then you can, if you want, add a little bit of glue onto the press-on itself. Roughly the same amount. And then you're going to put the press-on at a 45-degree angle onto your nail plate, or nail rather, and then you're just going to slowly push it down, and then you hold for a few seconds. Get rid of any of the glue that has spilled out. And then you would repeat the process for each and every nail. So yeah. Good luck.